I am the first. The first human born on Mars. This red world, it's not just my home, it's in my blood. The storms here, they're violent, unforgiving. But when they clear, it's like the planet takes a breath.
Zephyr, there you are, always staring at Earth, aren't you? Your circadian rhythm will be off again.
Mom, I can't help it. It's like looking at a dream. So much water, so much life.
You were born of two worlds, Zephyr. Your challenge is to unite them, to be the bridge humanity needs.
I know, Mom. I'm trying. It's a lot of pressure. Like 1G versus 0.38G kind of pressure. Trying. That's an understatement. Earth's gravity, it's like carrying the weight of both planets. The Earth's sim chamber, it's my Everest. But Mars, I understand. It's regolith, it's thin atmosphere, it's quirks. They're a part of me. I can feel its pulse through my mag boots.
Warning. Pressure anomaly detected in Dome 3. Oxygen levels dropping. All personnel prepare for emergency protocols.
The nanopolymer seal's failing. We're losing atmosphere at 2% per minute.
Wait, I have an idea. The Martian clay, it expands when heated. If we use the exothermic packs to trigger expansion, it could seal the breach.
Brilliant, Zephyr. Everyone, follow his lead. Grab the clay samples from Lab 4.
For a moment, it felt like I belonged. Like I had a purpose beyond being a biological curiosity.
Well done, boy. Quick thinking. But don't let it go to your head. Mars will always find new ways to kill us.
And just like that, everything changed. Two worlds suddenly, further apart than ever. The void between us, it's never felt so vast. I've never been a leader, never wanted to be. But sometimes Mars doesn't give you a choice.
A rescue mission? To the backup relay? That's a suicide run, and you know it.
With all due respect, Captain, I know this terrain. I've studied it my whole life. We can make it.
He's right, Captain. Zephyr's knowledge of Mars is unparalleled. If anyone can lead this mission, it's him.
Fine, but I'm coming with you. Someone needs to keep an eye on this Martian child.
Child, right. Sometimes I forget I'm only 18 by Earth standards. On Mars, I'm practically middle-aged.
Excuse me, Zephyr? I heard about the mission. I'd like to volunteer my services as a technician.
Oh, hi. You're new here, right? From Earth?
That obvious, huh? Don't worry, I've been training for Mars my whole life. I can handle it.
Handle it. Right. Like anyone can really handle Mars. It's not a planet you handle. It's a planet you survive. And then it was time. The mission. Our last hope to reconnect with Earth.
All right, team. We've got 48 hours before life support becomes critical back at the colony. Let's move.
Watch out, sinkhole ahead. We pushed on through dust storms that turned day into night, up cliffs that seemed to defy gravity itself.
Zephyr, how are you doing this? These routes aren't on any of our maps.
They're in my head, in my bones. Mars, it speaks to me. And then we saw it, the canyon, and the collapsed bridge, our last obstacle. And maybe our last hope.
It's impossible. We can't cross that. We have to turn back.
No, we can't give up. Not now. I have an idea. As I looked at that impossible gap, I realized this is what Mom meant, being the bridge between two worlds. It wasn't just a metaphor, it was my destiny. I've never been so scared in my life, but fear's just another obstacle, like low gravity or perchlorate-laced regolith. I'm going up. The relay, it needs manual activation. The nanomachines can't handle this dust.
It's too dangerous, boy. That dust storm will hit any minute. The wind shear alone could tear you apart.
It's our only chance. The colony's counting on us. Every movement, it's agony. My muscles, they're not made for this. Even at 0.38G, it's too much.
Zephyr, the storm's approaching fast. Winds are hitting 70 meters per second. You need to hurry.
I'm trying. The air, it's getting thinner. Oxygen levels critical. My vision, it's blurring. Red dust everywhere. The taste of iron on my tongue.
Zephyr, life support, failing. CO2 scrubbers, offline. We're counting on you.
Mom, I'm sorry. I can't. Two worlds, one future. I can do this. For Mars, for Earth, for humanity. Almost there, just one more step. It's working. The signal, it's alive. piercing through the storm, reaching across the cosmos.
We've got connection. Earth's responding. Zephyr, you magnificent Martian, you did it!
I did it, but I can't move. So tired, so cold, the storm. It's consuming me.
Zephyr, hold on. We're coming for you. Don't you dare give up now.
Darkness, it's not so bad. Peaceful, like the Martian night. Stars, so bright, so close.
Stay with us, son. Earth needs you. Mars needs you. You're the future we've been fighting for.
2 worlds, 1 future. I am the bridge. I'm alive. The light. It's so bright. Like Earth's sun filtering through Martian dust, soft yet insistent. What?
Zephyr, can you hear me? Squeeze my hand if you can hear me.
Mom? Is everyone okay? The colony?
Yes, sweetheart. Thanks to you, we're all okay. You bridged the gap. You saved us all.
Weeks pass in a haze of recovery. The colony transforms around me like a time-lapse of humanity's resilience. It's beautiful, isn't it? The new domes glowing softly, ships descending like metallic fireflies.
Aye, it is. And it's just the beginning, Zephyr. Earth and Mars working as one.
Not just Earth and Mars. All of us. We're all part of this bridge across the cosmos.
Zephyr, it's an honor. Your actions, they've rewritten our future. 2 worlds, 1 destiny.
As I gaze at the horizon where red dust meets starry black, I see it. Our future, written in 2 colors. We have so much to learn from each other. Earth and Mars, we're not separate worlds. We're humanity's home.
So what's next for the bridge builder of Mars?
We keep reaching, keep dreaming. 2 worlds, infinite possibilities. I am Zephyr, born of Mars, connected to Earth, and this is just our first step into the cosmic ocean.